Guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I've got the birch box. I think it's for April. And it came in this cute little box. So there's always a little drawer. Let's have a look what we've got. So the first item we have got is a hair wonder balm by Percy and Reed. Smells quite nice, 30ml. The second item that we got was Cath Kidston hand cream. Also smells nice. Got this little baked highlighter in Moonshine. I think this is the item that we got to pick. I think it was. Yeah, I think it was. I can't even get it out. It's like really small highlighter. Can't even open this highlighter. Is it glued down? Nope. And that's what you get. And I'll just quickly not too bad, but it's not the best. Then we've got this Fill and Tame Brow Gel. I'm not going to really open that because I can't see me putting that on right now because my eyebrows are already done. And the last item in the box is this little scrub thing for your face, makeup remover. I think it's for your face, I'm not quite sure, I think so. In the little booklet thing, it says blah. Yeah, so this retails at £24, but I'm guessing that's like if it's like a full size, not that size. The brow gel retails at £8.60. So I'm not sure if this is full size. Oh yeah, this is full size. This is full size, I think. Yeah, this is full size, and I think that is like a Birchbox exclusive. The hand cream, that is also Birchbox exclusive. And the the balm, that is just something that's got a 4-star review, so that actually isn't full size, but that does retail at £18 when it is full size. And then the scrub magic makeup remover cloth, that one, that retails at £8.95. Now I've only had 2 of these boxes, and to be honest with you, I'm not happy with it. It's like I'm paying, is it like £10? I'm sure you pay postage as well. I think you pay postage. But anyway, you're paying £10, and I just don't feel like you get your money's worth. It's like, I mean, come on. I just feel it's a bit of a letdown. So I've actually cancelled my subscription to that, and I am now getting the Look Fantastic box. Came today, so I'm a bit late reviewing that because I did have it a couple of days, but I'm just not bothered to do it because I've been busy. But yeah, I'm getting a Look Fantastic one, which I will put the video to that one up next. I haven't opened it. I will be opening it on a video. So then yeah, we'll see what's in that and see, because this one's like £15 I think a month. But I just want to compare, because that one to me is just, the 2 I've had just don't seem good enough. Do you know what I'm saying? But anyway, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you actually think of this box. If you think it's worth it. I mean, fair enough, you like it, you like it. For me, it's just not for me. It's just not for me. But anyway, thank you, and I will see you next time.